Mommy.
Is it good or weird?
Try Lainey. Lainey's first bite of cereal. Pretty good stuff, Mom.
She sucked it down and then spit it out. A little more? What do you think?
I could get into this.
She's spitting it all out though. You want more for you?
I'm not sure about this.
Yeah. Zach, you're making a huge mess here, buddy. Come on, open your mouth. Open your mouth. No. No. Try some more? Alright, your sister one more time. Try one more time. She sucks it off the spoon.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, there she spit it out.
I think she got a little bit.
Are you going to be our eater? Mmm. I think she's eating it. Is it so good?
I think she is.
Yeah. Zach, you want to try one more time?
We going to Zach?